In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs in a Confluence page. Whether you're looking to organize information in a clearer way or simply want to add a bit more interactivity to your Confluence pages, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, we'll need to head over to your Confluence site and navigate to the section where you have the option to add a new page. Once you're there, you'll notice a plus icon, usually found on the left side of the navigation pane. Go ahead and click this icon to explore additional options. After clicking the plus, you'll see a View More option. This step is crucial as it allows you to access a broader range of functionalities, including plugins, and this is where we'll find the bit of magic we're looking for. Once you've hit View More, type Tabs for Confluence into the search bar. What we're doing here is searching for the plugin that will enable us to easily add tabs to our pages. It streamlines the process significantly and offers a range of customization options. With your search results in front of you, select Learn More to further investigate the plugin options available. A bit of exploration could help you understand the functionalities before committing to an installation. Often, you might find FAQs or guides that provide a deeper dive into the usage of such plugins. When you're ready to proceed, look for Try It Free options. There's nothing quite like being able to take a new tool for a spin before fully committing, and many plugins offer a 30-day free trial, which is great for initial experimentation. Once you've decided to go ahead, simply select your Confluence site and click Review at the bottom to start your trial. Next, navigate to the specific Confluence page where you'd like to add tabs. Within the editor of your chosen page, you can type Add Tabs to bring up the tab creation feature that we just added through the plugin. Select the Tabs gadget, as this is the tool that will help you create the tabs. Now, when you're building your tabs, remember to give each one a meaningful title. Titles are key in conveying the content of each tab at a glance. For added flair, consider adding icons to your tabs. These icons serve as visual cues and can significantly enhance navigation. You'll also want to decide on text alignment, whether you prefer text to be aligned left, right, or centered. If your project requires additional tabs, simply click on the plus Add Tab button to add more sections. You also have options for the arrangement of tabs, whether horizontally or vertically, which assists in optimizing the layout for clarity and space efficiency. Customizing your tab's appearance is the fun part. You can choose a header style, an accent color, and decide on the inclusion of borders to match or contrast with your page's theme. Finally, don't forget to click on Save to ensure all your hard work is preserved. This not only secures your changes, but also allows your colleagues and collaborators to view and interact with the newly tabbed sections. Adding tabs in Confluence is that simple. You're now equipped to organize your content in a more engaging and structured manner, improving both the aesthetics and functionality of your pages. Happy tabbing!